So the sum of angles in a triangle is actually equals to 180 degrees. Alright, so if you have a triangle like that, okay, so you've got angle A, angle B, and angle C. Alright, angle A plus angle B plus angle C will be equals to 180 degrees. Okay, angle sum of triangles is the accepted abbreviated statement. Okay, so remember, sum of angles, I probably should write down here, sum of three angles in triangle is equal to 180 degrees. Alright, 2. Okay, say you have got a triangle like that. Alright, okay, and if this is A and this is B, and this is C. Okay, we say that angle A is equals to angle B plus angle C. Why? The exterior angle, okay, the exterior angle A, okay, is equal to the sum of the interior opposite angles. Okay, probably I should prove this to you. Let's say you have got a triangle like that, and if this is 30 and this is 50, what do you get here? You get 100, isn't it? So because the sum of angles in a triangle will make up 180 degrees. So what's this angle here? This angle is actually 180 minus 100, which is 80 degrees. So this is 80 degrees. Could you see that 30 plus 50 is actually equals to 80 degrees? So that's why the exterior angle A is actually equal to the sum of interior opposite angles. Alright, so just keep that in mind. Okay. Third point I'd like to note, to tell you is, okay, if you have a triangle, you got two of these sides are equal, this is known as an isosceles triangle. Okay, because two of the sides are equal, angle A is equals to angle B, angle A is equals to angle B. Okay, the abbreviated statement is base angles, let me write it down neatly. Okay, base angles of isosceles, isos for short, then the triangle symbol. Alright, and of course, if you speak about isosceles, you've also got to talk about equilateral triangles. So the fourth point, okay, you have got an equilateral triangle. Okay, all three sides are equal in length, so each angle is 60 degrees. Okay, 60 degrees, 60 degrees. Alright, 60 plus 60 plus 60 will make up 180 degrees. So angle A is equals to angle B, which is equals to angle C, which is 60 degrees. Okay, the abbreviated statement is angle of equilateral, okay, EQUI stands for equi dot triangle. Alright. Okay, let's talk about how we can classify triangles. Okay. You got types of triangles. Okay, you got your you can actually classify your triangle according to the acute angled triangle. Okay, acute angled triangle. Okay, all the angles, okay, are all three angles are acute. Alright, and you've got your right angled triangle. Okay, this is a right angled triangle. There's one right angle here. Okay, and you have got your obtuse triangle. Okay, you've got one obtuse angle. Okay, it's greater than 90 but less than 180 degrees. So you call this the obtuse angle triangle. I mean, there are many ways to classify a triangle, but these are some of the names that you should actually take note of. Okay, there's even a triangle known as the Scalene Triangle. Okay, Scalene Triangle. Okay, it's called a Scalene Triangle because guess what? Okay, all the angles and all the sides are different in size. All angles and all sides, okay, different in size. Alright. Okay, so this is a non-exhaustive review of triangles.